I wanna show you how to make a flicker effect in Premiere Pro, let's go! I have already edited my video clip to my timeline and I wanna make the flicker effect to this clip. To start, go to your project menu, right click of the mouse and create the adjustment layer. Add your adjustment layer above your video clip. Move your timeline to the point where you want that your effect will start. Go to the effects and write Strobe. Drag your strobe effect to your adjustment layer. Go to the effects control and under the strobe duration, let's change to 0.01. Strobe period to 0.02 and set the blend around 50. Perfect, everything is ready, let's see the result. I hope to grow this channel, put your like and subscribe.